Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a healthy morning smoothie that will help you to lose weight and also to start your day. So stay tuned. To make this smoothie, I'll be making use of 1 handful of spinach. Spinach is a wonderful vegetable that will help to speed up weight loss. It is also rich in fiber. So I'm going to add it into the blender. I'll be making use of 1 inch of ginger. I have already peeled the ginger. I'm going to cut the ginger into smaller pieces for easy blending. Ginger is so good for this smoothie because it will help to aid digestion. I'll be making use of 1 green apple. So I'm going to cut the apple, remove the apple core and seed. Apple is so good for this smoothie because apple contains fiber which will help to aid digestion. So I'm going to cut the apple into smaller pieces for easy blending. When I'm done cutting the apple, I'm going to add it into the blender. I'll be making use of cucumber. I'm going to cut the cucumber into 2. Cucumber is so good because it will help to promote hydration, aid in weight loss, and it also contains good amount of water. You can decide to skip the peeling process. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces for easy blending. On cutting the cucumber, I will add it to the blender. I'll be making use of lemon. I'll be using half lemon. Lemon contains vitamin C and it will aid iron absorption, promote healthy skin, and it will aid digestion. The last ingredient for this smoothie is flaxseed. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. Flaxseed is rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acid. So adding flaxseed to this smoothie will help to keep you full, suppress your appetite, aid digestion, and also balance your metabolism. So when I'm done adding the flaxseed, I'm going to add water, cover the blender, and blend until smooth. Finally, the morning breakfast smoothie is ready. This is a healthy smoothie that you can take in the morning to start your day. It will help to give you energy, help for weight loss, clear toxin in the body. Also, your body will enjoy all the nutrients from these fruits and vegetables. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.